hi, hello. It is finally time to get my potatoes harvested. I did have like a couple pounds in some grow bags that I harvested, I don't know, probably a week ago. It is literally starting to rain. Oh no. Okay, so hopefully we can get these potatoes harvested before the rain really comes in. I haven't watered in a few days, but we'll see. I will add the video in here of the harvest. It wasn't great. I probably just didn't water very well. So okay, so that's not awful. These are Yukon Golds, so they don't get huge anyway. Yeah, I was gonna put off more, and these might have had some life left in them, but I could see the ones on top dying. This might have been a bad idea. Maybe I should have waited. I know I'm not gonna do the ones in my beds yet. Like, those definitely still have life left in them. That's rotten. Ew. I should have gloves on. Okay, let's see if I can just... bad boy. I don't know what that is. I need gloves. It looks like an alien. Why does it have like a tail like that? Ugh. I don't like it. Yeah, that does not give me much confidence for my potatoes this year. I think that there were, what did I pull out? 4 seed potatoes in there. And I know that these died really early, so that's probably a lot of it. Okay, yeah. Like, they're all really little. That's okay. I'll do something with them for dinner in the next couple of days. The roots in this one is deeper, so I was expecting to kind of see some more down at the bottom, but I have not. Yeah, that's very sad. I think I'm not going to do grow bags again. Potentially, you know, it could have just been a me issue. But I'm going to compost these out in the field. It's at least, I'd say 1 or 2 meals we'll get out of it, so it's not like they were extra, I couldn't fit them in the bed. So next year, whatever I order, I'll make sure it can go into a bed. And hopefully we get a better yield on the ones that are down there. The leaves are all dying, but the stems are still green, kind of like this, which these probably could have waited, but the ones on top were dying. Like I could see that they were like blackening, like they were just getting too hot probably. And I didn't want to add more dirt this late, so they might have gotten a little bit bigger, but I wouldn't have gotten any more potatoes, I don't think so. Hopefully the ones down there are better. I have a feeling I'm not getting even a couple months worth of potatoes out of these, but that's okay. We live and we learn. I don't know if you can see these clouds behind me, but I am determined to get these potatoes done before it starts pouring. I think that was a car. I thought it was thunder. I've been trying to get my daughter down for a nap for almost an hour and a half to get out here before the rain. And it is like, I can hear it hitting everything, so I need to get moving. But I just, some of these potatoes died off a while ago. Some died off or are like still growing. Like, I'm really honestly concerned after doing more research. Potentially what happened is the new potatoes ended up sprouting and planting. Hopefully this is a good harvest. I did the Ruth Stout method, so I don't know how much I'm gonna have to dig. Maybe I should bring you guys closer. Yeah, so bugs got in here. Ugh, that's so disappointing. I think that's a new one. A little bit of sunlight. Okay. This one looks really good. Oh my gosh. That makes me feel so much better. I think a critter got that one. This one looked like I almost needed to dig a little bit. I don't think I needed to dig. Okay. I really do think that this is the seed potato, but it's like not rotten. So I don't know. Do I keep it? Hi, kitty. Ooh, that's a good one. Ow! Why did you bite me? Go away. Okay, so this is definitely a seed potato, so I don't know why those other ones... Yeah, okay, so this is what I was afraid of. They definitely started growing. Go away, Kiki. Don't bite me again. Worms. Ooh. Wonder if I should be digging deeper. But it does look like each spot a potato started to grow another plant. Oh man, it's starting to rain real good. This dirt is looking really good though. I put a couple bags of compost on top of this when I started these. Oh man. Oh wow. That's a really good sized one. This is the one that I just got. It is really good sized. All right, it was a small harvest, but we got it done. Thankfully I didn't plant a whole lot, but look at this one. Turned out they're so big. I need to get these up into somewhere to cure. I don't know how bad I really need them to cure because I'm probably gonna eat them pretty quickly. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Hope you like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. Hope to see you on the next one.